to, when it comes to TestNG and API, or any unit test automation, it's important that it's important we should know how to run the test under Jenkins, because almost everyone, I would say, whoever use Jenkins, they use, they run the test under, in Jenkins. That's a part of a build process, and the result are viewable directly from Jenkins itself. So let's go to the overview of how to configure the TestNG reporting plugin, and which we can use it as a part of a Jenkins daily run. So the first step is to install the TestNG reporter plugin. Go to manage Jenkins and click on the, let's say, what is it, manage plugin. Then click on available and search for TestNG. So you see there is some TestNG result plugin available. Click on it and click on install without restart. So it will take almost, I think it should be quick. Should install it. uh, Once it's installed, then go back to your the project page. So that's where you configure a project which does a build. So let's go to configure page and see how it works. So what I've done is I've configured one project, which would do the Maven clean install. The clean install would run the test, but without the TestNG plugin, it won't show the result. So now, once this is done, add a post build action here. The post build action would say publish TestNG result. Okay, and click save. Now let's run the test. It takes almost you know 1 or 2 minutes to run the test, depending on how many test cases you have. So once it's done, you can see it's running the test. It's reporting it. This test pass phase, and once that's done, you can go and view the test result from the build console. So you click on this one, number 4. You see the latest result. It shows here clearly, like your latest test result, which is from a fire failing. You can always click on it to see all the results. So you can click on TestNG result. You see like there are 19 test cases. From that, only fire failing. You can also go and, if you want to confirm, you can also go and check the one that actually ran, to confirm the test really ran or not. So you see in the top table, you see all the tests that are passing, and this one lists all the failing tests. So you can click on this. It will show you below, all the tests which are passing. So this all the tests were passing, and this all the tests are failing. You can click on further, click down. It will tell you like, okay, why this particular test is failing. It's similar to the same example what we saw before, where the test was failing from Eclipse. Now you see, like, we are running the same test. We're seeing the result under Jenkins. So that's the beauty. Once a developer commits the code, the test will run, and you'll see the result. Your developer can know, okay, tests are passing, failing. They can fix the code, and they can, test will automatically trigger once they commit it, and they would see, whether it's green, or number of failures are less. There's some advanced thing we can also do in this state, where we can let's go to configure and see what is it. So where we can select, like, okay, if you want the test result to send to a mail, so that also could be done here. Where you click on advanced here, advanced somewhere you can, yeah, here. So here you can see like email notifications, so it will also send an email. I believe that's not a part of TestNG, but when you do that, it also shows the result. So that's a good part